Brand is
no brand day.
Me imagine there and then no me bra or filado.
So you are just about to take off your bra.
Oh, yes.
And for mon journey on Facebook right now, mommy both in Bryce are not live. Yeah. Take it off. Take it off.
Oh, tell me not yet. Na honey, stories no. But in the no, I'm gonna make a story.
Okay, make the story.
Because headlines.
Make the story.
Headlines in the bed.
Headline about mommy both
removes bra on radio.
Yes, live on radio. Yes, do it, and live on Facebook too.
But my first story is in the show. On top, I'm you know.
Now,
oh, Roger, me bra.
Hey, that mon journey on Facebook. Why?
Brother.
Honestly, the
me bra.
Oh, the me size no me.
Be a kakra. Intenda no mo bedem ya no mo wie no na maiden
no way okay that mon join on Facebook why na am found kon
mo hu ide o wa on chokon kon ke there you do not know the hour ehwa inya hour yankopon baba
also ti omutie omunim time obeyi Brazil no so therefore make one for Facebook
that time
it's a drop ya
that time because and then maybe make story as live
we did for you
live on radio na minima they say at today was a gaming commission or a ban celebrities were Ghana had they from
advertising for
now Ebeke some time back were ban one from
advertising for alcoholic beverages in here.
Na how we be no papa marampo na on shada nyamede because we realize there na if the Nigerian act no na if the one endorsement what's the Nigerian ni ofi no kroma bebe nya endorsement o Ghana na Ghanaian celebrities no want to endorse because aban so there be pocho into my endorse na and then also was a dam gaming commission for ya wo bucha bet no you lottery mu na e hye dey e come represent nkofo Roger no call me dey come e come roba na za matiti won hunye dey Roger wi nyimdo nkofo waja endorsement din na wo mayen ihe anum na asama be ye ye na do batum bia mo no waji sika no waye den wa mayen but asama be no was Zemika na when the share possession wa for personal am wa bro ma me no mat there was a betting company bi am na car na sika wa tan was am yes kraba na those the one twemi na che dey wo pede raba na commission DK bi wa fa sam na personal so onya ni deal wa mayen nsi yes na na fa na ntum Brajeri but yandara
the
bekebi nti yenyim why or record damaze but I think the fraud na the mama wa ba no ni nyina aka ho na wa ma wa ba ne dam nti asem your record a me pede me wait for me won che Brajeri Mr. Bayi mo bra
they are waiting people are actually waiting for you on Facebook to take off your bra
so how many views na more
you get into 500 so
okay so menya 1k a on bado nti one from Kofu
any me so me person you the price ya no enti pacho mombra na so nya 1k enti mombra Facebook no say yes why you take away
na Vicky Zuga
enti say when ya 1k and so you price ya no
enti one question one was okay what question round mission so I appreciate about me
for mombra Facebook why now because I also wanted to take it off you know
me sure me na ma san me ayi dem him
ube you brother no
him na ma bomba na ma sabe hu na ma kire
how you check to see say okay
me my brati
so say omo ba
na actress Vicky Zuga ono so there say e besiaba na say have sex with Benin for favors na sika on your crime as
if
long
you have
as
sex
you want
for favors from a man
and you're bad so on your bun as long as you are not caught mommy
how about say chunzo
hono mze about 2 hours na wunya me hono mze Stone boy call some blind community be na also record na chada one envelope a chere bibi kakra wom ana nkofi wo win do there or your stone boy easy. Now the end of the day, no. Now, Brother, you coffee could ma. What kind is the canna? What's the kind of 400 cities? Na asamuno mijina fana fa o sanda so wa mo hona na nka obakasa but wa mo hono so wa mo woni ye inti mijina fana on this issue
obi chewade a but you anticipate or expect that huge he say no say there achede say bi obi aba Charlie Charlie work hard do make we appreciate you small no the panama me envelope
budget black me omo do so 400 is the chede what chepo a chede so ha na obo no
it your mom 100 Ghana so anko be kan say say we bi amunje fanto debit
papa bi aka che me nka wo borrow 10
say we 400 no omo fanto electricity obi aba no mom force obi aba no mom force say omo de be onko bet
no ntinka fo no nko budget wa so bomozan na won kwa sesra
and today be kwa akosa o na ya pe bia kan
obi amo
kakra na kan bomu a yes little drops of water and a my tuition tie omo fa na
budget baby we do no me be yima bra no
okay so before you take your bra omo buy no omo asan ko na e ko akodu ayi any omo ko dia
budget no kwaza no
say asamba 592 because it was somewhere around 700 yeah about 580
budget no menye yi bra no menye yi
ba we san so anya de mo ko mo san bra back row yi ade no I miss some baby mo bra na I need her to take this thing off and so whilst we wait for them to come now we're taking off now happy birthday and Nkoma Portia Naki Sapo of Crop Estate Ghana Limited, East Legon. Divine favor and Godspeed, and I worship for you from your loved ones. And then a happy birthday also going out to Tabitha Tete from Sherry of Germany. Wishing you God's blessings on your birthday. And today is my body Felix of DVLE Tema office. And then the birthday, aka LBW. Now, me and mama ne by force. Now, no boy nipa the first. In fact, boy no odo nipa, and he's there for people. That's it. You can't true friend. This guy, Charlie, don't go there. Felix, one correct guy. No, everywhere, fully representing Charlie. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip. Hurrah! So Felix, enjoy your birthday and may God bless you, pa. Yeah. All right. So Charlie. I do 6. All right, you, Mate. That's it. A tear for or say, I know he did. We did send him out with him. Wow.
Hey, okay, Charlie, what be this? Charlie, make a try. Hey, it a bio. How much is this? 12 Ghana. Hey, for this big bowl of fried rice and crunchy chicken bites. Wow.
Grab one today from any KFC store near you.
KFC chicken rice bowl. Hey, yeah, guy.
All right, so we're back and getting ready to, wrap up and then make way for the news at 6 here on Adom 106.3 FM. Now, before we check out, once again, let me remind you, say Obamodiana Uyusu Muti. Now, Otonro on pretty simple. Muti makes it easier. Say, I for the general public in that may I enjoy a discount on all purchases at Muti Pharmacy. Now, when you no so deliver to you, or maybe I will be at a low flat rate. So don't let your guard down. Get supercharged. Now, we'll see.